Hey, y'all people, we're gonna play Sky. I haven't played this game in like a few months. I'm gonna do the challenge with a blue bud and see how much quests I've missed. And the child is crying under the tree because he's about to die. If he doesn't get get the bluebird, then he dies. He's coughing terribly. Act 3. Before the curtain. Heal this child's sorrow. You must find the bluebird. No, the woman's walking. She's stinking. She activated every brain cell she has. I know of a bird blue like indigo cloth. Those who call trills, whatever crowds, flocks, and adamantine. I don't know that word. Okay. I think you should take all of those brain cells back because you might need them in the future. Yeah, she's not listening. Okay, we're in this place. What's that? It's a feather. The feather. Okay, we gotta collect the bluebird. The bird must be nearby. Yep. And I'm gonna gobble him up and hope that Ayana doesn't see me. Cause yeah, I'm gonna eat that bird. The cooked chicken. I just ate the feather. What is that? They're everywhere. There's a bluebird everywhere. Okay, we collect the birds. I mean, not birds. I have to eat the feathers. Gulp. What? Oh, we're making her clothes. So, we're making her clothes to perform on stage. Okay, I'm gonna eat this other feather. Which one should she get? I feel like she should go with this one. Is that good? Let me see. Yeah, it's good. Why are people watching in the distance? Okay. I gotta eat the feather again, and then it's... I think this hair is good for her. Yeah. And why am I wearing it? I look absolutely terrible. Okay, we go and get this feather. I go for this. Don't you dare stare at me like that, you Okay, I gotta fly over there now. I perform like an idiot. Okay. Everybody. Look at us. I do a flip. I twirl around and I break my bones. How did I actually get that right? Okay. What is that? Get over here. You. No, you could have. Get over here. No. Get over here. You ugly. Bird. Hey. Get over here.
Get over here!
What is that? What just happened? Oh, she turned into a moth without a cape. Like, I ruined her life. Sorry, I have to tell you something. You're very we get teleported back, and then what is my prize for breaking her heart? A bird was found and its feathers were blue, but it unwounded itself like a loose thread. I got the heart. When can I get that bird call that I've been waiting for? What do you mean? Where is it? Yeah, I really did make her ugly. Hello? What was that in the distance? Okay. I'm gonna fly away now.